Our understanding of the cosmos has never been fixed. It has shifted, fractured, and reformed with every generation of discovery, evolving alongside the tools and ideas that shape human curiosity. What once seemed certain often dissolves under the weight of new evidence, replaced by deeper, more complex truths. The history of astronomy is not a straight path toward knowledge, but a constant process of revision, an unfolding narrative written across centuries of observation and thought. In the early 20th century, astronomers began to grasp the true scale of the universe. During the 1920s, estimates suggested that the cosmos might be only a few billion years old. At the time, this was revolutionary. It expanded humanity's sense of reality far beyond anything previously imagined. Yet today, with far more precise measurements and advanced observatories, scientists place the age of the universe at approximately 13.8 billion years. This shift is more than a numerical correction. It is a reminder that even our most confident conclusions remain temporary, always subject to change as new data reshapes our perspective. Even within our own galaxy, the Milky Way, mysteries continue to challenge established ideas. Observations of stars in its outer regions have revealed motions that do not fully align with expectations. Some stars move in ways that cannot be explained by visible matter alone, while others appear slower than predicted by existing models. These discrepancies suggest that our understanding of galactic structure, particularly the distribution of unseen mass, remains incomplete. Recent stellar mapping efforts have pushed this mystery even further. By tracking the positions and motions of nearly 2 billion stars with extraordinary precision, astronomers have begun to uncover patterns that challenge long-held assumptions. Some findings suggest that our galaxy may be significantly less massive than previously believed. If confirmed, this would force a re-evaluation of how invisible matter influences the structure and behavior of galaxies. It would also raise deeper questions about the very nature of gravity on cosmic scales. Understanding stellar motion is not a solved problem. It is an ongoing investigation, one that evolves with every new dataset. Each observation adds detail, but also introduces complexity. The more precisely we measure the universe, the more intricate it appears. Beyond our galaxy, the view becomes even more profound. Modern observatories have opened a window into the earliest moments of cosmic history. They detect galaxies that formed only a few 100 million years after the beginning of the universe, offering a glimpse into a time when the first structures were emerging from darkness. These observations allow us to look not just across space, but back in time, reconstructing the early stages of cosmic evolution. At the same time, the discovery of planets orbiting distant stars has transformed our understanding of planetary systems. Thousands of these worlds have been identified, many existing under conditions once thought impossible. Some orbit extremely close to their stars, while others exist in environments vastly different from anything in our solar system. Among them are planets with atmospheres containing complex molecules, including water vapor, clouds, and chemical compounds that hint at dynamic processes occurring far beyond Earth. Although many of these worlds are inhospitable by human standards, their existence suggests something profound. The ingredients for life may not be rare. They may be widespread throughout the cosmos, present in countless environments across billions of galaxies. This realization raises one of the most compelling questions in science. Could life exist elsewhere? And if it does, what forms might it take? As these questions deepen, science moves into more speculative territory. Some theories propose that our universe may not be the only one. The concept of a multiverse suggests the existence of countless other universes, each potentially governed by different physical laws. In parallel, interpretations of quantum mechanics hint that every possible outcome of an event might exist in separate realities. These ideas remain unproven, yet they challenge the boundaries of what we consider real and observable. Another puzzling phenomenon emerges on even larger scales. Certain clusters of galaxies appear to be moving together in a common direction, a motion that cannot be fully explained by known forces. This phenomenon hints at influences beyond the observable universe, suggesting that unseen structures or forces may exist beyond the limits of what we can detect. It is a reminder that our view of the cosmos may be only a small fragment of a much larger reality. Despite these uncertainties, one fact has become increasingly clear. The vast majority of the universe is invisible. Ordinary matter, the stars, planets, and galaxies we can see, accounts for only a small fraction of the total. The rest consists of mysterious components that do not emit light but exert powerful effects on the cosmos. One of these components shapes the formation of galaxies, while another drives the accelerating expansion of space itself. Understanding these unseen forces may one day transform physics entirely. It could redefine our understanding of gravity, space, and even time. Yet for now, they remain among the greatest mysteries in science. Among the many intriguing discoveries of recent decades is an ancient star located relatively close to our cosmic neighborhood. Its properties suggest an age that rivals, and in earlier estimates even exceeded, the age of the universe itself. This apparent contradiction created a paradox that forced scientists to re-examine their methods. More refined measurements have since brought its estimated age closer to accepted cosmological values, but the uncertainty remains significant. Determining the age of a star is a complex process. Astronomers analyze its composition, brightness, and internal dynamics. Over time, stars evolve in predictable ways, allowing scientists to estimate their lifespans. However, extreme cases reveal the limitations of these methods. When measurements approach the boundaries of cosmic time, even small uncertainties can lead to profound implications. To better understand the scale of time, scientists often use a conceptual model known as the cosmic calendar. In this model, the entire history of the universe is compressed into a single year. The beginning of the universe occurs at the very first moment of January, while the formation of Earth takes place near the end of December. All of recorded human history occupies only the final seconds before midnight. This perspective highlights how brief our existence is compared to the vast timeline of cosmic evolution. Measurements of cosmic age rely heavily on observations of distant galaxies and the stretching of light as space expands. These measurements consistently support the current estimate of the universe's age. However, alternative ideas continue to emerge. Some researchers have explored the possibility that the universe could be older than currently believed, proposing modifications to how light behaves over vast distances or how fundamental physical constants may change over time. While these ideas remain outside mainstream acceptance, they demonstrate an essential aspect of science: the willingness to question itself. When anomalies appear, they are not ignored. They are investigated, debated, and tested. This process drives progress, even when it leads to uncertainty. The deeper we look into the universe, the less certain everything becomes. Observations continue to challenge expectations, revealing galaxies that appear more mature than they should be at such early stages of cosmic history. This raises a fundamental question: is our model of cosmic evolution incomplete? Perhaps the early universe was not a slow and gradual process, but a period of intense and rapid transformation. A time when stars ignited quickly, galaxies assembled at extraordinary speeds, and complexity emerged far earlier than expected. If so, then our understanding of cosmic history may require significant revision. This realization changes something profound. The universe is no longer a simple, predictable system governed by straightforward rules. It is a vast and evolving structure shaped by hidden forces, intricate interactions, and processes we are only beginning to understand. From unseen matter shaping galaxies to mysterious energy stretching space itself, from ancient stars challenging timelines to distant worlds hinting at life, every discovery expands the boundaries of knowledge. And yet, with each step forward, the horizon of mystery moves further away. The universe is not just something we observe. It is something we are still learning to understand, piece by piece, photon by photon. Every beam of light that reaches us carries information from a distant past, a fragment of a story still unfolding across billions of years. Perhaps the most humbling truth of all is this. No matter how far we look, no matter how much we learn, the cosmos remains larger, older, and more complex than anything we can fully comprehend. And yet, it is precisely this mystery that drives us to keep searching, to keep questioning, and to keep reaching beyond the limits of what we know.